you set it on fire. Lekin here, working with this team, in front of the camera with of course, with the legends, how was it for you? Talk to us about that. We'll come to that.
Namaste. So, Vanakkam. So, first of all, very happy. I've worked with Mani sir before, but I've not worked with Kamal sir. So, I think it was a great opportunity for me. I should thank Mani sir first. Thank you, sir. And
you've mentioned that Thug Life brings together talent from across industries. A lot of people have come in from various industries. How was it putting together this magnum opus, sir, and of course, led by the gentleman here?
Both of us were looking for suitable characters and great talents, and we found them here.
You are, a part of this film as an actor, a writer, producer. What was the most exciting part, sir, and how did it all come together?
The most exciting part you didn't mention. Working with him was the most exciting part.
Absolutely.
Then automatically all the other things happen.
I am sure, sir. I'm sure we'll get to see this on the 5th of June. So we just talked about first impressions,
Ji.
So he told us about Sadma and that particular scene. Your first impression of Mani Ratnam, sir?
First impression is that I know him as a friend living in the same area. I didn't even know that he belonged to a film family. He was a person. And I liked the way he spoke. We became friends. And we had a group of friends. We were talking only cinema, no gossip. And that's where it started. And all of the films you mentioned, we are including when we were doing Nayakan in, I think, in Kolaba. And Ramesh Sippy Saab was shooting in Film City. So we had some shots in Film City. So we all went to see the shooting of Mr. Ramesh Sippy. We are ultimately, the qualification that brought us here is that, like you, we are fans, film buffs. That's what brought us here. We'll go to any set to watch anybody work, especially those who we consider as talented. We'd like to watch them work. And that's what we did.
Wow. Wow. From cine lovers on the stage to the cine lovers across the globe. Thank you so much, sir, for doing this.
See, it's not even an experiment. It's a pragmatic thing to do.
Right.
And I'm glad that the OTTs agreed and we sat together, and it was not a negotiation, it's a plan, which maybe others could follow. And it'll make the industry healthy. And we are glad that we were the first to be there to avail of that opportunity.
Amazing, sir. Amazing. Thank you so much for that. Of course, we'll get to see the movie in theaters on the 5th of June. और उसके बाद 8 हफ्ते बाद OTT पे आएगी. बड़े दिनों बाद ऐसा कुछ एक arrangement, और जैसा सर ने कहा, किसी ने कुछ दबाव किसी पे नहीं डाला. ये बस एक plan था जो कि हो गया. We'll quickly get the chance. Thank you.